Pearl Technologies offers the most comprehensive range of hole punching products geared toward today's demanding packaging applications. A true good, better, best portfolio. Whether you're manufacturing bags or pouches, Pearl has the right punch to deliver the cut quality you need at the price point you want. Our value punches offer economical hole making, offering 50% longer life on average than competitive punches. These round punches come in 2 different tooth pitches to handle any film thickness. Our new impact punches offer great cut quality and punch durability at an affordable price. Impact punches offer 2 to 2.5 times longer life than competitive punches in competitive testing. The secret lies in Pearl's proprietary metallurgy. Our top-of-the-line performance punches offer a combination of superior hole cut quality and long punch life. Performance punches offer up to 4 times longer life in head-to-head comparisons and are simply the best punches you can buy. Available in both Piranha and Barracuda tooth styles and in just about any hole shape imaginable, performance punches are up to your toughest film punching challenges. No matter what type of hole you need to punch, in virtually any film, paper, or web formulation you may have, Pearl punches will get the job done. Whether you run value, impact, or performance punches, you will not be disappointed with the result. Clean-cut holes, time after time.